to my channel, or if you guys are new, welcome. My name is Katie. I'm actually so excited for the video today. I am going to be moving from a house to downtown St. Louis apartment, so I'm seriously so excited. I have so much to do. So my move-in date is Friday, and today is Wednesday. I almost said Tuesday. It's Wednesday, and I have not packed one thing. Like, I am majorly procrastinating this. There's just been so much craziness going on. I've been swamped with school. I am a full-time college student, if you guys are new here and didn't know. So there's just been so much craziness going on. So today I'm just dedicating the entire day to packing and to getting everything ready to move. Can't wait to show you guys my new apartment. Right now, I am going to go to the store and get some boxes. The apartment is really only like an hour away, so it's not like I necessarily need to like full on like box everything up. It's not like I'm like shipping it out, but I want everything to be very like organized, and because we are downsizing, I really want to make sure that it's not like super cluttery, and I do really want to get rid of a bunch of stuff because I just have so many little things that I don't ever use. I have so many like hair products and makeup products and like clothes I never use, and a bunch of like other random stuff. So I'm gonna go get some boxes just so I can like make sure everything is nice and organized, and I don't have to worry about like just throwing everything in like a big like bin or something. So that is what we're gonna do right now. I am gonna turn on the car because it's like 90 degrees, which, why are you wearing a sweatshirt, Katie? I don't know. Maybe if I start drinking enough pumpkin lattes and wearing fall clothes, maybe it'll come and this 95-degree weather will go away. I don't know, just a thought. Okay guys, so I just got the boxes. This was such a struggle trying to fit these in my car. It was so funny because the guy at Home Depot, one of the workers, he gave me like one of those big carts that you put like big pieces of like lumber and stuff on, and it was just hysterical trying to watch me push it because I did not know what the heck I was doing, so that was great. Anyway, so yeah, I got a bunch of huge moving boxes also, and then I also got this little glass divider so you can put like glasses and stuff in it. And then I also got a king mattress bag because we are obviously taking my mattress with me, and I don't want it to get all over like the bottom of like the moving truck and stuff. So that is what I got. I am absolutely starving. I'm absolutely starving, and there is a Chipotle like half a mile away from me. So I'm gonna go get Chipotle, and then we are, sorry I keep looking over here. I'm watching these two guys get arrested right now in the parking lot. The cop just walked up to their car and is arresting them both, so okay. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you really quickly what I got from Chipotle. A salad with brown rice, pinto beans, fajita veggies. I get it with like that sweet corn. I top it off with some like fajita veggies and then some guac. This is seriously such like a great like vegan bowl, and it's really, really filling too, but it's like super healthy. So that is just what I am eating for lunch. So the two boxes are up. So these are just gonna be my clothes boxes because most of my stuff is clothes. So I started putting my stuff in there already. And then I think that I'm gonna use a third big box for all of the stuff that either like I don't want, I want to like donate or take to like a Plato's Closet or something. Okay guys, so it is now the next day. We moved in all of our stuff yesterday. I didn't really film a lot because it was just so freaking stressful. And since I do live in like a high-rise apartment, we had to use a freight elevator to get all of our stuff up, and we only had it for like a short amount of time, so I wasn't gonna spend that time trying to vlog it because that just takes a little bit longer when you do. So I am seriously so excited to be living here. I don't know, I'm like leaning on a counter, by the way. It's just like one of those days. Okay, I'll pick you guys up. If you guys don't know me, I grew up in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So it's like a really small, more like country, redneck type of area. And I feel like I do not fit into that. And so something like this is like my absolute dream apartment, and I just feel so incredibly thankful that I have the opportunity to live here. And yeah, so I'm super excited, so let's just jump right in. So here is the front door, and then as soon as you come in, we have this really nice big long white hallway. I'm sorry, my dog is whining. But we have this huge big hallway, which I absolutely love. And then right over here, I think I'm gonna do it on this wall or this wall, I haven't decided yet. But I'm gonna be putting these big, like thin black frames. And what I'm gonna put in them is probably some like white like line art or something like super like plain black and white and like abstract probably. So I have 3 of those to go on this wall. And they have this huge mirror from IKEA, which I am so excited to unwrap and put up. And then when you walk right in here, we have a coat closet, super basic coat closet. I just have a laundry basket in there right now. Then right when you come in on your left side, you have the bathroom, and so you just have your basic toilet. You have a nice big vanity and mirror, and then they have some like nice pretty big like space down there as well. And then the shower is honestly probably one of my favorite things ever. It is just all glass, and it's really, really nice, like stone or whatever it is on the inside. Kai loves showers for some reason, by the way. If any of you guys just have dogs like that, he just loves sitting in here. And then it has this little like product rack over here, which I love because I don't want to have to just like pile all my stuff down here. So I have that. I have this little bath mat here for right now. I'm probably going to change it to like a rectangle one. But that is just what I have here right now. We have boxes for all of my stuff to put away. And then over here is the bedroom. I love this bedroom. I do have a king bed, and I was a little bit nervous about it fitting because it's not like the biggest bedroom, but no, it fit really, really well. It's actually like just right there on the door. I decided not to take the headboard with me because it does take up just so much more room. So I think I'm just gonna get like a bed frame, like a metal bed frame on the bottom, and then put like artwork right up here on the top. And then it'll have a mattress because I don't have like box springs or frame or anything underneath it. I still have it on the plastic wrap just because I don't know. I'm weird about it, like touching the floor. I feel like you like never know, you know, how well the floors were clean from when you first moved in. So I still have it on the plastic wrap until I get a bed frame. But over here I have this gorgeous view to look at every single morning and every night when I am falling asleep. It is just like my favorite thing ever because all of the lights are on of the city. And then right over here, I just have a bunch of boxes for my clothes. And then we actually have this huge closet, which is actually really nice. Over here, I just have Kai's bed right now. I'm probably gonna put that somewhere else because I wanna put like a dresser right here, and then I'll probably put like a mirror on top of it. So probably gonna do that, but he's just taking a snooze right now. What do you think about the new place, huh? He doesn't know how to feel about going from living in like the suburbs and having a huge backyard to like living in the city and having to like go pee next to concrete. He's been a little stressed out lately, that's for sure. And then right in here, as soon as you walk out, and this is my favorite part of the apartment, you have these giant windows, which is, oh, so pretty. Right over here, we just have the washer and dryer. So not really a lot of space to put anything, to be honest with you. So I'm kind of having to like cram everything in there. But that is just what we have in here. And in this one, we just have like the little, oh, I'm losing the word for it, whatever that is. And then over here we have the kitchen, and for an apartment this is actually a really big size kitchen, so I absolutely love this. But we just have the fridge and freezer right here, and then on this side we just have the stove. I just put out some like nice Kai's little cookie jar that I put all of his treats in up here, and then we have the microwave and a bunch of space. I just put these 2 little plants up there for now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but we have just like so many like cabinets and storage, which is so awesome. I just have my little like coffee area and espresso. I got rid of my Keurig and I got an espresso instead, so I haven't tried it yet. I'm really excited to. So if you guys have any, like, you guys will have to let me know, like, if you have an espresso, what are your favorite like recipes and like drinks to make with it. Obviously I don't use anything with like milk in it, so I'm really excited to kind of like test some things out with that because I've never had one. I've never like known someone that had one, so I'm excited for that. And then we just have more storage down here, and then I put 2 little chairs here for the video. I don't really know where I'm gonna be putting those yet. And then right over here, I'm planning on just leaving this as like Kai's little like food and water spot. Super random side note though, but if you guys have dogs that are really like messy drinkers, or if they like splash a lot whenever they're trying to drink and then drool, you guys need to get them this bowl. It's called a slobber stopper. This is just what it looks like, but it actually only fills up the water like down there in that little hole for like an inch or 2, so they have to like literally just sit there and like lick the water, and they can't just like splash it everywhere. So I'll link that down below, but it was $50, but seriously, it has saved my floors from being like soaked. But yeah, so I'll link that down below for you guys. And then up here, we just have the same big window that you can kind of see the same view that you saw in my bedroom. And is so pretty. Over here, we just have a bunch more storage. I have all my pots and pans and then random Christmas decorations. I don't know where I'm gonna put those. And then we just have just a whole bunch more of like cabinets, the sink and the dishwasher over here. And then we have these two really cute, just like hanging light fixtures, which I love. And then over here, going into the main living room, this is seriously like my favorite. I know I'm saying this is my favorite part of like so many, but I love so many things about this apartment and the view is just gorgeous. But right over here, we just have this big blank wall. So I bought a like little TV entertainment center, so I'm gonna put that up and then I'm gonna put my TV on there. Planning on putting this plant over here in this corner and then keeping that little like blanket basket I have over here. And then with that big IKEA mirror, I think I'm gonna put it over here in this corner. I am just so obsessed with these floor to ceiling windows. Like, it's so pretty. It rained yesterday and it was just the most gorgeous thing. It's so pretty to like wake up to. And then these windows just go all the way around to over here. Over here is just like the main living room area. This is basically all the stuff that I have to put away in my IKEA furniture. I have my couch in there, my coffee table, everything. It's just gonna be so much to put together. A big like sectional to put right here, and then I'm gonna get a big rug and everything like that. So obviously once I put it all together, I'll do like a full apartment tour for you guys. So that's just kind of a little overview of the living room. And then over here you have areas for bar stools. These are not my bar stools, I just borrowed them. So I'm gonna be getting some different ones. So I found some really cute like metal light gray, kind of like more industrial style bar stools that I think I'm gonna put right here off of Amazon. And then there's just another little overview of the kitchen. All right, so that was it for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing my empty apartment. If you haven't already, definitely subscribe down below. I have so much exciting content coming up. Lots of like college content and city and so many exciting things planned. So definitely feel free to subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.